Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So I came across something that I thought was pretty interesting. If you remember, my last video was talking about the CarPlay box that you could use to make your Apple CarPlay wireless if you have a wired version. I really love it, but there's something that you should know about it when using it. So I've used this one for quite some time now, and I love it. Like I said, it's a great option to give you the wireless connectivity. So I want to show you here what I'm using. It's just this one right here. They all pretty much work the same, but something that you should know if you're using it. Now, I don't know if all your guys is going to be like this, but let me know. Try it out. So you have the dynamic mode here in the middle. So let me go ahead and turn the car on, and I'll show you exactly the little issue that it does. And it's the only problem it has, so it might change your mind if you want to buy one, maybe not, but to me it's not a huge deal, but I thought it was interesting. So let it connect here. Okay, connect it up. So now with the dynamic mode, you can push the middle and get to individual mode. Right here, you can push it, and if you push and hold it, you can get it to the screen that lets you customize it, but I don't know if you saw what it did. So you're supposed to push and hold, and I'll do it again, and watch what it does. So the screen will come up to let you change the suspension, all that stuff right here, and then it goes away. And it's supposed to stay on that screen. So when you have this connected, you can't do that. So watch, I'll disconnect it. Now I'll push and hold it. And then there you go. And then it says use trackpad. And you can change the suspension settings, the transmission, shift points, all that kind of stuff. But when you have the CarPlay dongle connected, it won't let you change this. So it'll stay with whatever you had it set to when you have it plugged in. So you can push the center button and it'll go to your individual setting, whatever you set that up. But when you have the dongle connected, you can't make any adjustments on it. So I thought that was strange. I never really paid attention until I went to try to change it and was wondering why it wasn't working. So I just want a little FYI. I don't know if they all do that. You have to let me know. Try it out. You see what it does? It comes up, but then it just gets right out of it. There's no way to stay in there when you have it connected. So if you guys are using a wireless CarPlay dongle, let me know. Or maybe if you haven't tried it, just push the center button, push and hold, and see if it lets you change the parameters. I'm kind of curious. Like I said, it's a weird thing. You see here, it's individual. And that's how I have it set up. So it still goes to my individual, but if you want to make adjustments, say you want the suspension softer because it's too hard, you're going to have to unplug it to change it. So it's just one little quirk, but like I said, I didn't really pay attention until one day I tried to change it, and I thought that was strange. So if you have a CarPlay box and it's doing that, don't take your car to the dealership. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just some reason when that's connected, it doesn't allow that to be adjusted, the individual setting. So again, I just want to share that with you guys so you don't freak out and think something's wrong with the car, because I was kind of thrown off at first too. So again, let me know in the description if yours will do it, if it does that, or if it's fine. Maybe it's just this particular brand, but other than that, it works perfect. Okay guys, hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.